everyone, Tessa here from Josh and Tessa's Travel Adventures. I'm just going to go through what I've packed for the weekend. So I've got my thicker clothes to wear on the plane. This is a pair of jeans and I also wear a t-shirt, usually with a singlet underneath. That's my plane outfit. Then moving on, I've got my dress here. I've actually packed two dresses with me for the weekend. And that's a skirt there that I can wear with the t-shirt I've packed. And I bring two pairs of swimwear, one full piece and one bikini. And I also bring a cardigan to wear on the plane and when it gets cooler. This is my Turkish towel. It's really thin, so it's perfect for the beach and dries really quickly. And this is a bed shirt that I've packed. It's just like a long t-shirt I can wear to bed. Got two pairs of shoes, some for walking during the day and some sandals for the night. And these are my electronics. I've got my phone charger, computer charger, adapters, my computer, my underwater camera, and also my digital camera. So yeah, like I said, I packed two adapters with me at all times and also a portable phone charger. There's my passport, and I always pack two pairs of socks with me. And I always pack two mini pairs of underwear just in case when I go to the beach I want to put on a clean pair afterwards. So I've actually got four pairs of underwear. There's my hat. I always bring a calico bag and some sunglasses that I can take out during the day, so that's my sunglasses in there. That's a sanitary kit, and these are my toiletries that I pack. So I've got a travel size shampoo and conditioner, deodorant, face wash, toothbrush and toothpaste, although I usually steal Josh's toothpaste, a brush, mascara, eyebrow pencil, mineral powder and blush. And just to let you know, I always get the travel bags from Greece, from the airport at Athens, because they are actually bigger than the ones that you can get in London. That's everything that I've packed. I put all of my toiletries in that clear bag for customs, even the things that aren't liquids, just to make it all together. I don't take a separate toiletries bag. So here we go. And there you have it, my outfit for the plane and my backpack all ready for the weekend. Thanks for watching.